everyone, I'm Vicky and welcome to this Tesco food shop. So we did the click and collect again, so we've been to their collect point and just got back. Dan is here as well, he's washing the pots.
Yo!
So we ran out of washing up liquid and we've gone maybe 2 days without any, so the pots have stacked up to quite a pile. So if there's any noise in the background, that is where it is coming from, Dan doing his housework duties. I'm going to get into it and show you what we've picked up for our food this week. So I've got 2 packs of the bunny bites. These taste exactly like the Pom Bears, but Dan absolutely loves them, don't ya?
Yep.
Usually the 6 packs that are in a bag get eaten within a couple of days. I've got some strawberries, not for porridge, just for snacking, some mushrooms. These were a substituted item, so I'm back on the Kinder train, and I wanted these small Kinder bars, but they've swapped them for 3 packs of the 2 bigger bars.
I'll have them.
I've got some of the 30% reduced mature cheddar, some Haagen-Dazs strawberry cheesecake for Daniel,
yes,
and the Growers mixed vegetables. These are frozen. This was also a substituted item. I did want the frozen peppers, but they gave me this. Me and Dan, we eat frozen veg, so I thought, you know what, we'll eat it. But the only thing now is we may have to go and buy some fresh peppers. Some raspberries, some reduced fat mozzarella. This is going to be for a pinch of nom pasta pizza recipe. I've also got the pepperoni slices and the salami slices. Some blueberries and 2 packs of the lamb's lettuce just to accompany meals. I've got the Nestle Lindel's white chocolate yogurts. I've got 4 of these because they were on offer. We've got the Tesco reduced fat butter pack spreadable, which I think it tastes exactly like Lurpak, but Dan disagrees.
It doesn't. It's not quite the same. You can't tell me any different. You're not going to convince me.
But I'm the one that does the food shop, so we're having butter pack. 50% less fat soft cheese. This is for a creamy chicken dish that I'm going to be having, which is also from the Pinch of Nom book. 2 packs of baby spinach, again for the creamy chicken dish and to also put into a spaghetti bolognese. Then I've got the ciabatta rolls, 4 packs of these, to make my own garlic bread to accompany the spaghetti bolognese. Got the Kellogg's Frosties. Dan was living off cereal for a week, so I needed to stock up on cereal.
For a week? I had it once. One day. I came back from work, been on different shifts, and I had football training, so it was Wednesday. I got back, I was in a bit of a rush, I weren't even that hungry, so I had cereal. Didn't cook me Sunday dinner. One day. The other days, I bought takeout.
So to ensure this doesn't happen again, this mountain of pots, I've stocked up on washing up liquid. I've got this huge bottle of Fairy, which is pomegranate and honeysuckle. This was on offer for £2, and then I've picked up the Tesco washing up liquid rhubarb and rose, which is 33p. This smells really, really lovely, so I got 2 bottles of that and 1 of that, just so Dan doesn't have an excuse to say he can't wash the pots. I got 2 of the tomato passata cartons. These are for spaghetti bolognese and the pizza pasta. Then I've got a small loaf of Warburton's wholemeal bread, 6 Kingsmill wholemeal rolls, some cherry tomatoes, a big jar of the Lotus Biscoff spread, cucumber, oranges, loose bananas, some pears, and then I've got 5 brown onions in here, the Galaxy Light Hot Chocolate, and I've also got the Horlicks Instant. I had the original and I was adding hot water to it, so I just wanted to see if this one tastes any better or if it just tastes the same. Some more cereal for Dan, which is the Blueberry Wheats, and then some cereal for me, which is the Kellogg's Crunchy Nut. A cinnamon bun to share with a nice cup of tea. All of these eggs, 6 pinter of semi-skimmed milk, a big bottle of tomato ketchup, which is the 50% less sugar and salt. Also the baked beans were on offer, so I got 4 tins, also with the no added sugar, a 9 pack of luxury soft toilet rolls, and some Maris Piper potatoes. These are the last 3 items that we purchased. So I've got the Tesco Gold instant coffee, I've got a small jar of the Nutella hazelnut spread, and then I've got this jar of pitted green olives. That is everything from our Tesco food shop, so the only meat that we need to buy from the butchers this week is some minced beef and some sausages. And then that is everything sorted out for our meals. If you've watched this till the end, thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Hopefully see you again soon, but for now, goodbye.